How to change currency on Priceline. So for this, you don't even need to be logged into the website. You just type in where you want to go. Let's say you want to go to Prague. Simply select the date of when you want to go. Enter how many of you are going, what rooms, how many children, and simply just click find a hotel. From here, as you can see, the default is US dollars. You can change that by going to the dollar symbol right here, the currency symbol. And from here, you can change to whatever currency you want. So I want euros. And there you go. Now the price is going to be shown in euros. So 105 euros should be about $124. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.